Hey, we are inside of Usign, and we're going to teach you how to create your own logo for free. Now, if you want to have a custom logo created for you, make sure you check out the video before this one that Josh did, okay? So he tells you where to find really good ones at. He also teaches you a little about how to make one, but I wanted to go a little bit more in depth. So we're going to be going into Usign. This is more of an advanced course on Usign so that you can learn how to create your own logo if you want to do so for free. So this will help you save a lot of money at first, especially if you're bootstrapped and you don't have a big, giant budget. A lot of the times as well, what you'll be doing is you'll be creating a generic store. So you don't know what products you're going to sell yet. You don't know which ones are going to be hit products. What you want to do is you want to find out which ones are going to be the hit products first before you go out and you actually choose like a specific like niche, like where you're going to narrow it down. Like I know when I first started out, I started out Active Pro Shop and I wanted to sell golf clubs and tennis stuff and all of these sporting equipment, right? So I called it Active Pro Shop. But what ended up selling were stinky bras, right? And so I ended up selling shapewear and I ended up changing it to a completely different name, right? So I should have started as more of a generic store though, okay? Because I had to do a whole complete rebranding. So let's say we wanted to sell, we didn't know what we wanted to sell, right? We can call it, like home goods. Well, that name's taken, but it could be like, Goods R Us or whatever. It could be, kitchen power or something like that. Like fruit, Josh did fruit power, right? He saw that last video. So I want to show you how to create like a logo that's very similar to that, pretty much. Okay, so you start out here. Now, also Google Shopping. You do a lot of Google Shopping, right? You're going to go into that course later on. You're going to need to create two logos. So what you do is you go to custom sizing here. Okay, you go to custom size, 1,500 and then 500 by 500. Those are what they're going to need. Okay, so let's go ahead and let's get into it, guys. Let's go ahead and get into it. So we here, it's a blank slate. So just so you guys know, you come in here and the first thing you're going to do is you're going to select text. Okay, you want to select text or your background. So you probably want to have a transparent background because the transparent background, what that is like if you were to go into your store. Okay, so let's say go into your store and you're going to have a heading section. Heading is the very top section of your website. And that's where most of the sites have their name and they have their logo. Now, if you have a black heading, pink heading, green heading, I mean, whatever color it is, this will fit right in there. Now, if it's not transparent, you can have a green heading all the way around, but then you have a white box in the middle of it, and that doesn't look too pretty, okay? So you want to make sure that the font and the logo just goes right over it and it fits in really nicely, and that will be transparent, okay? So let's go ahead and create this, okay? So first thing we're going to do, that's transparent, okay? Now what we're going to do is we're going to go to text here, and we'll just do a headline, okay? So what is fruits? And then we'll do another one, and we'll do, it's called power, okay? Now, what we're going to do over here, you see over here, this is where you can choose the fonts and you can do different things to it. So we're going to go ahead and choose different fonts. Now, which font do we want to create? Let's see here. Maybe that one, let's see. Go here to color. And we're gonna pick it. This is how you pick the color, guys. You can actually, what you do, if you choose this allows you to choose different colors here. Or you can go up here to custom, and we can go ahead and we can choose a different type of color. Let's go more towards like, say the pink. Or do we want to do like orange? Either way, now we'll go here and now we can choose the font. say we're to choose. So we choose this one. Okay. Now what we do here is we go to graphics, and we can choose different graphics. Let's see if they have anything good here. If not, what we can do is search in Google for clip art. Well, there's one, right? There's an apple. Now you can go up here, you can change the color. Change this to whatever color say we choose. Well, say orange. You can also go right here, we can turn this around a little bit. And here's something you can do, guys. You want to move this. Click on this right here. You see right here, layering, and we can send backwards. So now that right there is behind the fonts. There we go. We have created a logo in a minute, and it's free, right? It's free. Now, again, it's not the best looking logo, right? But, it's up to you if you want to spend a few $100s on a really nice one. I mean, you could definitely get creative with this. Definitely get creative. We can go here. We can do, like, I don't know, or we can do orange clip art. Okay, we can do something like, we can do orange clip art. Transparent. There we go. I'll do that one there. Maybe see if I can move it. And get this on the. Yeah, I went there. So I dragged it off. And we go here, and we go to uploads, upload image, and then we drag it right here. Right now, notice it is not a transparent image. So see how the white shows up here? Now I'm going to show you guys an amazing tool. Okay, so you click on this here, and you're going to go here to erase backgrounds. It's my favorite thing about this. Okay, here it is. Press spacebar. Press spacebar. Press spacebar again. See how it's green? We're going to select here. I'm going to select here. Go to all different ends here. And then we're going to press spacebar again. Now it gets this red, and now we're going to press red. Now look. See how it knows? Okay, and we just press done. See that yellow? Boom. Now it is gone. The background is now disappeared. Here, what we'll do, go to layering, send backwards, go here, we'll send to the front. Let's go ahead and move this here. It's a little smaller. This different color here. Let's look right there. Now check this out. Click on this one. You go right here. Color. D38 2D7. D38 2D7. D38 2D7. Copy it. Here. Go here, paste it. Oh. Now let's play around with this, maybe get different. I don't know. Like that. Now this isn't, I want to change this now to the red, yeah. However you'd want to do it. You can get rid of that actually. Look at that. We can even go here. We can go to border. Create a border if you want. Change the color on it. Add a shadow to it. There's so many things you can do. And go here to backgrounds. You can also, let's take the transparent off. Go to gradient, maybe, right, something like that. You can mess around with this. Reverse it, however you want to do it. This could be something like your, this could be your, you know, Facebook. But if this was your logo, well, you can even do, you can go here, we can do like maybe like a splash. What is that, like a water drop. Transparent background, water drop, transparent. Or maybe just drop. Drop clip art. Let me see if this shows up. It could be like drop clip art orange. Let's see if it looks. There we go. So we can go here, drop that right there, go here, uploads, upload image, over here, select file, erase backgrounds, spacebar, spacebar, green, 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 spacebar, red, spacebar, red. Look at that. Done. Now we got ourselves a little drop here. A little bit small. Okay. Duplicate it if you want. There we go. Now let's see here. Go here to shadow borders. border. Go ahead and shadow. And then we can go here to that's what it was. Right. Put that on 5. There we go. We have ourselves a logo, ladies and gentlemen. You can change it around if you want to a little bit. Yeah, just like this. Oh. Or remember, you can go to background and change it to some transparent. Okay. And you could do both, you know, like, you know, if you wanted to, what we do here is you can do like, like if you're going to create your Facebook, right? Let's say you're going to do your cover photo and you wanted it to be this. You go to Facebook, cover photo, right? And there it is. You just, you know, change it a little bit here. You can maybe even change it around a little bit if you want. Somewhere it's a little bit different here. Obviously, we want to center it. That would be our Facebook. Okay, so now what we would do, we would not do transparent on this. Just go back to gradient. And boom. That's our Facebook. Okay. All right. So I just wanted to show you guys that. Make sure you guys always save it. All right. We'll see you guys on the next lesson.